Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your financial data using QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your financial data using QuickBooks, start by launching the QuickBooks application on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the main menu. Click on File in the upper left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Open or Restore Company. You will see options to open a company file or restore a backup. Choose Restore a Backup Copy and click Next. Select, this could be on your local drive, an external drive, or cloud storage. After locating the backup file, select it and click Open. Next, QuickBooks will prompt you with a dialog box. Choose the option to save in to select where you want to restore the file. Make sure to select a location that you can easily access later. Once you've selected your save location, click Save. QuickBooks will then begin to restore your financial data from the backup file. It may take a few moments to complete the process. Once the restoration is complete, QuickBooks will notify you. Take a moment to verify that your financial data appears as expected. If everything looks good, you are now successfully back up and running with your recovered data. For any issues during the process, refer to the QuickBooks Help section for troubleshooting advice. With these steps, you can easily recover your financial data and ensure your records are intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.